sama my video.
Welcome to it. Welcome to Nyoumachoua. You know, we are the youth from this village. We're so happy. We relax on the beach. You know, we listen to our songs. And please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing in order to support the channel and help us to put Comoros in the map. You know, this is a very beautiful place. If you come into Comoros, consider visiting this city because you won't regret anymore. Thank you.
So I'm Churchill. I'm native of Nyoumachoua. So as you can see right now, we are at the beach. So behind us, there are people who are playing soccer. So this is one of the most beautiful city in Comoros. So there, here you can see at just right or us. This is the hotel Moheli it's a famous hotel in this island, and so including in Comoros.
How much does it cost for one overnight?
So it depends because we, as you can see, that we are inside. We have 50 rooms. So
50?
yeah,
Wow, that's not small.
yes, not too small. So it's a big hotel. So as you can see, so I mean that's for one night. It's costly, so expensive. So
It
you
can
have
be $30 or
not
$35,
$30.
40,
It's about 40 euro.
40 euros.
Yeah,
So 40 euros is around $40.
yeah,
It's affordable
yeah, affordable.
for foreigners, but
Yeah,
not for Comorians. For Comorians, it's very cheap.
So I want to add something. So if you care, if you want to come here to visit, don't hesitate. So Nyoumachoua is a friendly village. So as if you are here, not to lose hope that you will stay alone. So if you come here, you will find people who will be with you and guide you everywhere you want to go.
Yeah, that's very good. Mr. Churchill, what do you do exactly in life? Are you teaching? Are you a tour guide? What do you do exactly for a
So
living?
currently I'm working in that hotel that I'm talking to right
Oh,
now. So
as a tour guide,
yeah, tour
receptionist?
guide, receptionist, and yeah, a waiter. So I get a job. So I'm teaching in the private school just to there. So
I see.
if you get a time, you can go there to visit.
So you have two
Not
jobs.
yeah, two jobs.
Yeah, mountains there.
Yeah, it's
Very
not
nice.
it's not the mountains. It's the islands.
Islands.
So
These are,
as you
oh,
can
yeah,
see,
yeah, yeah. These are
it's the
islands.
islands. They are both are 7 islands here. So
Seven
yeah,
islands.
7 islands.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
the biggest one. Its name is Wenefu. This is
Yeah.
the most and well famous here that people are going there to go to do
Yeah, we
picnics.
went there. We went
Yeah,
there
we
today.
went there, and this the
It's
biggest
very clean.
and the biggest island I can see. As you can see, that's the first beach, and if you make a tour, we have 3 beaches there
Behind?
behind it.
Really?
So
Mr. Churchill, I think I will prepare this. I need to really prepare. I will come back in this village. I will take an entire week or an entire month to explore because today we just went to that beach, you know.
yeah.
We didn't have time to go in the other to the other beaches. So next time I will really prepare myself, you know, in order to discover the different places. Thank you, Mr. Churchill.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Your
my
village
friend.
is very beautiful.
Thank you
You are very
very much.
lucky, you know.
That's
Mr.
really.
Mr.
We get
Churchill,
it.
you should create a YouTube channel in this village.